Morning. This video we are going to talk feasibility analysis for social, legal, managerial, locations and other utilities. Last video I have briefed you about feasibility analysis about marketing, finance, technical we have discussed. So I told feasibility analysis, if we tell about how you will do analysis, it will be done on data. It will be done on something you have data which can be analyzed and say bring some result, so that we come to know whether we should go ahead or not. So these are the things analysis has to be done. For that you have to do survey during pre-setup time. During once you have made the feasibility of the during pre-setup, before launching anything, you have planned, you have done the survey, or for that we have to do analysis at the time of setup and post setup. So we are talking about social. Social is very important. There, anything we do, how exactly our vision of the business, it is helping to the society, our nation, state, living, people, mankind, all together, whether it is helping, how it will reflect, not only helping, it should not give reverse effect to the on health, their living things, it is spoiling the polluted air, land, water, whatever it is. So it should be environmental, it should not show that it is reverse affecting to the society. That should not happen. It is happening. Major cities, they are doing industrializations, but they are not thinking about what about the polluted air. People are not able to take the breath, and that is why they are aged and they are getting sick and they are getting affected, health is getting affected. Legal and managerial. Legal is very important. Anything we do, whether it is legal, it is trade unions, it will be they are legally, they are may protect about this product, or they anything which we are manufacturing, whether it is coming the defense and security level of where exactly to be taken care. Those things we have to analyze. How exactly it may happen sometimes, many times one small point which may become for a disaster. Managerial, it is also important. The people we are recruiting, whether they have license, knowledge, they are having some sort of skill required to run the department or some office, they are having conceptual skill or not, they are having not only conceptual skill, even the area domain knowledge or little bit technical knowledge also it is required. Locations. Location is the best place. People say sometimes when we are developing all factors. When you develop, nobody will ask anything. But while you are launching, while you are doing, to break the customer, to break the even your orders, people have to satisfy in all factors. It is been this is primarily located or not. If it is not, why it is located outside of the skirt of the city, all those things. And whether the outside of city, how it will be there, even locations. Any pharmaceuticals company, they go for hill area where the temperature is below normal. Other utilities also. This we'll discuss in next slide in detail. Feasibility analysis I already told. We do only for setup and post setup. Feasibility, viability of the idea generations, generally we do during time of pre-setup, pre-launch. That time you are not doing any analysis there. You are thinking, you are writing, you are making records, everything. Maybe you are doing survey. Maybe how exactly we should go for this survey of the way the customers buying or not, what type of product they are buying, whether they prefer this product with their ICI marker, standard marker or not. So whether we should, if it is, people are always electric equipment, people go for ICI marker, they never go for any other thing because it is a life thing. Food product also people never go for any other, it should be done by the marker product. All those things we have to think about while we are analytic, we are doing, and based on that we have to take some actions, and we have to register for standardizations, everything. It setup also, post setup, both we have to do analyze for the above features which we have given here. See, it provides the goal to identify the existing strength and weakness. Of course, I told already for the project. If we do analysis, we'll be knowing not only analysis in terms of benchmarking of the things, in terms of analysis alone, something we have to do so that we'll be screening our project ideas as well as evaluating the process feasibility, whether it will be feasible to come to the in business or not. And in terms of market, social growth, development, analysis, everything. Economics, types of feasibility, very thing is economics. Utility to society, social benefit, always that is a subheading of the economics we have to think about. Whether it is generating the employment, it is giving the job, how much job is giving plenty of things. I know people, some of the office still they believe they are not keeping computers because they feel if they give number of employees it will give them livelihood, they will give them some sort of survival questions for their life, and afterwards they are happy family, that they are thinking. Ancillary development, I know SSI units, tiny unit ancillary development, it is a margin of it goes up to crore of rupees investment, and you can get sanction from the SSI. All those things, whether it is a mass level, that generally it is in metropolitan cities. We are doing it where industry areas, the sector, we have to develop the ancillary development. Scope of area development, we have to write. Yes, what is the scope of area of your product or of your venture or about your what you call business enterprise, what is the scope? Social and legal, we have to think about how it will help to the society and how exactly it is coming into the legal point of view. I tell you, some people, suppose you are running one defense, you are running one manufacturing of defense, one person came and he has taken some revolver from your manufacturing unit, and what he has done, he has went there and he has made some attempt to murder to somebody to take the revenge. Even if you have sold out, but they will question you also from where you have brought that thing. So legal is many things are there. Managerial, I told how exactly the managers are responsible for all activities of managerial. So manager are having knowledge, both conceptual skill as well as I told you technical skill. They are good in relationship of the developing contact, getting knowledge. They are working, they may work as an intrapreneur, where the existing resources they are using and thinking something as an entrepreneur. That is intrapreneur. Location, other utilities that you have to think about. In other utilities, we have to make the discuss for the part. What are the other utilities, facilities? What are the, you have to give utilities regarding women power, regarding employees, child labor, whether it is being given maternity leaves, utilities we are giving harassment committee, we are farming, there are many anti-sexual committee which is looking after monitoring all those things. We are having CCTV cameras where we are having proper hygiene related activities and related utilities in the building. So whether we are taking care of the resources of the country, we are thinking about, we are having solar panels, power generations, etc. So all those things we have to think about fixed asset, and those things, if we do it analysis properly, it will be very nice to have your company will be saving money. I tell you in this regard, one story. One girl, her father was working, he was running one transport company. So happened that girl, his daughter, she was a student of the BE computer science, and this girl, she was going, and from childhood she was thinking, father is talking also, always he is in trouble, money point of view, doing huge amount of the business, but even then he is not having sufficient amount from childhood, and he was knowing it. So once he completed the graduation, he went to office and told father, just give me 1 month time, I have to do something. Right, you do. Very first day he has called the people of the software automation people, and he called purchase computers. Those days there was no internet, other things. There are some facilities was there. So, and maybe the initial stage it was internet. So those days what he did, all the computers is centralized, all the centers, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Madras, all the centers, he made the computerized link together, and finally anywhere any bill they are raising, finally it was getting stored in the Bangalore office, and the delivery, all the process, everything, making calls was very expensive. From Bangalore alone, he has saved 2 lakhs rupees of the telephone bill. Online process is started, and that is after 7 stations, it will be 14 lakhs rupees. Straight away profit has come to their company. And you can understand, we have to plan for this type of utility to come up very well in the business. We are not thinking our diversification. We are always thinking only one thing. You should think sitting some other place and see the wall from different angle of painting, how it looks. That's the way we have to have in the business. Thank you very much.